Welcome back, viewers, welcome back to the channel. I'm in Albufeira for a wee holiday, and I've heard about the strip here, so I thought I'd take a wander up and do a wee video on the strip. So it looks like a lot of places are closed obviously for the season because it's coming up to the end of November, but I can just imagine how busy this place is in the height of the summer when we can see what's going on here. So let's have a wee wander down the strip in Albufeira. So just bars everywhere, and some still get some people in them, but for the most part they're all closed now. I don't know anything about Albufeira, have never been here or anything, but I just thought while I'm here, let's take, I don't know, 10 minutes to have a wander down the strip, see what's going on, record it on the camera and let you have a look at it. Now there's groups of guys hanging about just on the corners and stuff. So I don't know how this is going to go, but I'll film it anyway. What's the worst that can happen? So a few of the bars are open. The one thing I have noticed here is walking. Hello! The one thing I have noticed here is we were in the old town today, but the one thing I have noticed is that every bar and restaurant here has got people standing outside trying to usher you in into their bar and restaurant, just telling you about the offers and the deals and stuff. Now there is lots of music going on here, so I don't know what we're going to get. I'll catch what I can. There's still quite a few drunk folk about, which I suppose to be expected, but at the end of November you don't expect it to be still this many places open, so I'm quite surprised. So I'm not going to pick out the names of anywhere. I'm literally just going to walk up the street, see what I can film, see what's going on, because as I say, I don't know any of the names of these places, I don't know the reputations of these places. I'm just filming it live as we go. So there's places open both sides of the street, just bars, restaurants, clubs, and you'll hear the music in the background, so hopefully there's not enough of it being recorded for YouTube to do as the bit of a copyright strike that they like to do. But you can see here, it's not busy, but it's lively. But it must be absolutely chock-a-block here in the summer months, during the summer season. So do you know about Albufeira? Do you know about the strip here? Is it somewhere that you've been on holiday, somewhere that you frequent? And if it is, let us know in the comments. We're just coming up to the top end here, and it's obviously getting a wee bit quieter now, but I would say it's quite impressive when it's all lit up, because there's even places upstairs here that I haven't even shown in the video. So 2 stories, little bars tucked away, plenty of people in them. Coming up the top end here, I might just cross over actually, see what I can grab. Yeah, so there's loads of sports bars. They're calling them family pubs, but I can't imagine too many families coming out to these places at night. Pizza shops, kebab shops, burger joints, Ribs and Co. The terrace, that looks like a Celtic pub there, the terrace. That's obviously a cannabis oil shop. You can get all your hemp and weed products there. And then when we get to the top of the strip here, like the far end, these places are all closed. They're all closed for the season now, as I say, it's end of November. So you've got this massive steakhouse here. And it has a big, up over 2 stories. And then across the other side of the road, that looks like the Cross. Again, which, you know, karaoke, live music, cocktail, sports bars. But obviously nothing happening at the minute. Then we've got a hamburger place on the corner. And I think there's a Rangers bar somewhere here, but I don't know where it is. And I know there's a couple of other Celtic bars. The one up there, I don't know if it'll show up in the video actually. The Lion's Den. So that's a wee nod to the Lisbon Lions, obviously. Celtic. There's restaurants across the road. I've got some young English lads here. Looks like they've been on the sauce. They're out having a couple of beers. There we go. They're all freezing, chittering. Their knees are knocking together and their lips are trembling with the cold, because there's a bit of a cold snap hitting here right now and the temperature has dropped a wee bit. And then just at the end here we have another Celtic pub, Jinkies. Big posters of Jimmy Johnson there. You'll never walk alone signs. I'll see what it says around here. So that one's still open. So welcome to paradise. The strip starts here. So that's obviously the beginning of the strip in Albufeira. So that looks as though that might be it. Now I know that you probably think it's a waste of time doing that video because there's not much happening. And I get that, but you know, as I'm here now, I just think it's worthwhile taking a walk up the street, filming what I can see and share it with you. And if you've ever thought about coming to Albufeira, that's what the strip looks like. Now, the people I've been talking to say that during the summer months, it's just jammed with young people all out looking for happy hours and drinks on drinks deals and cocktails and all that sort of stuff. Then at this time of the year, when they've all finished their holidays and they've all gone back to work, the older people like myself don't really frequent the strip. Just on behind me here, you'll see a great Indian restaurant, the Clay Oven. Really, really nice, great feedback, good reports and all the reviews that we see. Yeah, so the older crowd tend not to do the strip, and they like to go to the old town. Fitting, I suppose. So I'll probably do another little video down the old town, and maybe one at the beach. And hopefully you'll watch them. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. As always, please take a wee minute to like the video and even subscribe if you like it. My channel's all about, in the most part, living in Spain, but I tend to do little videos when I'm out and about as well, and hopefully it'll help somebody. So please like, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you all on the next one. Ta-ta for now.